Good morning, guys. How are you on this beautiful, beautiful day? So, I am Stephanie J. Sanders, and I just wanted to come to you and tell you guys that it is not too late to sign up for my free investment education webinar. Guys, if you haven't signed up yet to register, please do so now. The link is in the description at the top. So, make sure you register today. There still is time. The information will be between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. today. So make sure you register. Make sure that you are a part of this wonderful, wonderful event. It is not too late. You can still register. That's why I'm popping on real quick because we start promptly at 12 p.m. and it is exclusive investment education webinar. So it will not be broadcasted. The revolution will not be televised. Okay. So make sure that you are a part of it. You can go register in the description at the top. bit.ly /investment education. So for the past week, I've been talking about life insurance, emergency fund, and today I'm going to talk about one more thing that we're going to speak about in about an hour and a half, and that is retirement. Now, if you've ever seen me do a training, I always tell you guys that retirement is a mindset, not an age, right? That means you can retire at any age. I've met people that retired at 20 years old. I met people that has retired at 25. You know, it's all about the mindset that you have and the goals that you have for yourself. But when it comes to retirement, you want to be set up in a way that you don't have to worry, right? You don't want to be stressed out. You don't want to have, hella bills. You want to be relaxed when you retire. You want to be doing something that you love. And, as an educator, I work with a lot of retired people, meaning they've been teaching for 35 plus years, and now they're back substituting, or now they're back teaching. And that's intense, right? Think about working a job for 35 years, but because you're not set up the way you want to, you actually have to get another job. And that's, in my mind, that's insane. Like, that is something that I am pushing so hard not to have to do, because that's 30 plus years of your life that you've been working. And, you would think that for the next 30 to 50 more years that you can actually enjoy your hard work, enjoy, the fruits of your labor. If you have grandchildren, enjoy them, be able to see them and play with them and all that great stuff. Not have to worry about a mortgage, not have to worry about, your house being taken away or your car being repossessed, because all of these things, theoretically, before you retire, is all paid off, right? Your car is all paid off. Your house is all paid off. You have money to give the grandkids with no problem, without robbing Peter to pay Paul. And you're not waking up every day at the crack of dawn to go to work, right? You can actually enjoy it, right? So that's what another piece of this investment education is about, learning how to do that. What ways can you retire early, if you will, right? Retire in the time frame that you want without having to worry. What investments can you make now that will guarantee that for the future, right? For yourself. And it's all about making the right choice for yourself. There is no one size fits all when it comes to this investment thing, right? People talk about real estate, people talk about stock market, people talk about this and about that, but everybody is not on the same playing field. So people that can do one thing may work for them because that's what they want to do, but it may not work for you because that may not be your playing field. That may not be something that you're willing to do, something that you're interested in, something that is feasible for you at the time. So it's all about knowing what's out there. And that's what this webinar is all about. Getting the education that you need, understanding things that you may not be able to, to take 2 years to study, right? Things that you can start looking into now, investments that you can start looking into now, so you can be prosperous for you, your family, and your generations to come. So make sure that you register at 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. We are having an investment webinar, investment education webinar today, guys. It's going down today, and I would love for you guys to be a part of it. It is a free event. It's a free webinar, but the revolution will not be televised, and no parts of this will be broadcasted in any type of way, because we are having the professional Strose Hill do his thing and really break it down for us as far as the avenues that are available to us, so we can, you know, make the right choice for ourselves. So make sure that you register. Make sure that you share this on your page for me. Okay, share this for me, so someone on your timeline, someone, you know, that you love, care about, can get on this webinar and change the trajectory of their finances, change their financial outlook, change their financial lens, change their financial situations, guys. So make sure you register in order to watch this, be a part of this webinar. You have to be registered. Everything is free, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. There is no gotcha at the end where, you know, we try to upsell you. It's literally, guys, free education, and that's something that, in my perspective, is something that's powerful that can never be taken away from you. You know, people always talk about, you know, college, why go to college and pay for this? Because it's experiences that no one can take from you. Yes, you can read your own books. Yes, you can do all these things on your own, but without that guide, you're nowhere. You don't know what to look up. You don't know where to go. You don't know the avenues to take. You don't have people or a network that can help you take you to the next level. And that's why education is so important, because it not only opens doors for you, it gives you that guide, it gives you that premise, so you can be successful in your own lane. You know, apprenticeship was like amazing back in the day, right? Because you would actually mirror yourself with an expert, right? So when that was a form of education, it's not literally just reading a bunch of stuff. You know, experiences are a form of education. And today we are giving you that experience with investments. So make sure that you register today. I need you guys to share this for me. Okay, make sure you share this and make sure you're on it from today, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you go to bit.ly/investment education. bit.ly/investment education. Be sure to register today from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait to see you there. Make sure you bring your handy dandy notebook. Make sure you bring an open mind. And make sure you bring some members with you, right? Some family members. Have people congregate in the living room. Put it on the big screen TV, and let's learn this education, not only for ourselves, but for our family and our generations to come, guys. So I can't wait to see you the next time. I'm gonna try and jump back on really quick right before we, you know, do our thing. But I just want to let you know that it's not too late. You can register now, and I look forward to seeing you. And have a great day. Bye.